The ground on which we stand is holy. The ground on which I stand is holy. And it's holy because we're here. It's holy because we are here. We have returned home. Africa for the Africans, Little Bomani, and the family has brought us home. And on this sacred space, at this sacred time, we pour libation. We must pour libation. So honored to honor our ancestors. Those that opened the way, you know? Those that we know by name and those that we will never, ever, ever know by name. They're nameless, but they're ours. And they belong to us, and we belong to them. We pour these libations, as we always have on this journey of return. A decade of delivering us. A decade of delivering us home. And you think about those names of those ancestors that have crossed you over. Huh? Because I'm certainly thinking about my mom and my dad right now. Pour these libations in honor of my mother's 100th birthday, which will be November 16th, born 1916. Cotton picker out of Swan Lake, Mississippi. I pour this in honor of my mother, Bessie Lee Smith. And you can name your personal ancestors as we start with our personal bloodline. And then we'll honor our historical ancestors, whom we all know, because we are Pan-Africanists. Name your personal ancestors, those who delivered you. Ashe? Ashe.
Grandma Joanna.
Ashe. Ashe. Oh yes. We call their names. They live through them. Ashe. Ashe. Warren Thomas Smith. Uncle Willie. Ted Smith. Ashe. Their personal mamas and daddies. We're strong because of them. We're here because of them. We always honor them. We have integrity because of them. We're excellent because of them. We're invincible because of them. We pour libations in all of the ones who opened our way, those who carried us in their wombs and are still carrying us. Let's name the names of those who are historical, who bring us here, like the Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garvey. Ashe. Ashe. Patrice Lumumba. Ashe.
Malcolm X.
Malcolm X. Ashe. Ashe. Queen Nzinga. Ashe. Samara Shamel. Ashe. Ashe. Dr. John Henry Clark. Ashe. Ashe. Queen Mother Moore. Ashe. Dr. Francis West Wesley. Ashe. 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 Robert Nestor Marley. Ashe. Peter Ashe. Ashe. As long as you're a black man, you are an African. Ashe. Peter Tosh. Ashe. Dr. Ben Yakanan. Ashe. Ashe. Dr. Sabi. Ashe. Oh, there's so many names. Let's name a few more, because when we call their names, they live, man. Yes. Name some more. Ashe. Ashe. W.E.B. Du Bois. Ashe. Dr. Martin Luther King and Coretta Scott King. Okay, Ashe. Kwame Ture. Ashe. Miriam Makeba, Mother Africa. Ashe. 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 Ashe.